Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀, iṣẹ́ okòwò ni, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ a máa jalè. Oko dídá láìsí ọgbọ́n àti òye kò ì pé o, gbèsè ni ó dá.
This is what is called Larry's.
Okay, this is Larry's. Okay. So how will you know that this is Larry's now? What is the definite physical appearance or any identity that will make you to know this is Larry's?
You see, when we say Larry's, it's one of the breed of pig, and it's a very good animal. You can easily identify them with their floppy ears.
Okay, their floppy ears.
Yes, a very long body, very high, and they are good mothers.
Their floppy ear.
They have their floppy ears.
They are tall.
Body,
okay.
And they are good eyes.
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay. Okay. And you said they are good mothers too.
Yes, sir. Those are the biggest. They are just 1 month old on the 18th of this month.
Okay.
Very long.
Okay.
Look at their body formation, very long. They are small girls. They have not known men.
They are still virgin.
Yeah, they call them guilt.
Guilt.
One drop, they are 8 there.
Yeah. So that means that stress doesn't affect.
It might be.
Okay.
Well, gave her to 9. One was dead. Then the 8 are okay. They are just about 40. They gave back the 40. Next to that, we need about 40 ago.
Okay.
This other mother do okay.
So this is a Duroc. Yes, what physical appearance that will make you to know that this is a Duroc? Now you know, yes, as the Larry's now floppy ears. So for this now, what?
Duroc also have floppy ears, wide back. It's very big. The male Duroc, if well fed, could give you up to 850 pounds. A male
that's the weight.
A male if well fed will give you up to 850 pounds. That's approximately 400 something kilo. Then the female Duroc, if well fed, he give you the weight for almost 750 pounds, about 3 and something kilo. And they grow faster. Duroc grow faster.
They go faster than the Larry's now.
The other breeds, they grow faster, and they use very weighty. And the meat, the flesh, is fat free.
Fat free.
Just exactly like cow meat.
Okay. What about for Larry's now? Larry's has a fat in the meat now.
Yes, some little quantity.
Okay, but for
Duroc doesn't have fat at all.
Are you
just
serious?
Like cow meat. I read it. I sold it. I ate it. Then go and check from the Google. Tells you they don't have fat. They are the best. I can tell you the flesh of Duroc pigs is the best.
The flesh of Duroc meat or pig is the best.
Don't put it to confirm what I'm saying.
This is good.
And this is less than 2 years.
Less than 2 years.
Yes.
And as big as this.
Less than 2 years.
I mean, you are feeding them well.
No, I get one. Then 2, they grow faster. Duroc breed grow faster, and they gain more weight as they are being fed.
So now, let's say you want to sell a piglet now of Duroc now. How much will it go?
It goes for around 200,000. But you know, Banagri economy, I might say 170.
No, you mean one of those piglets like this?
Yes.
That small one.
Yes. No, they are just about 5-6 days.
Okay.
So they will be win them when they are 1 month. Before I sell it, out will be around 2 months.
So when they are 2 months, you sell it at the rate of
become winners.
almost
per big leg. Yes.
200,000 naira.
Per big leg for pure Duroc.
That's a good business, sir.
You say
definitely you will have spent a lot on them as well.
Look at this boa. Then I'll show you the large one. This large one.
The large white. Okay. So what is the physical appearance now? Why
yes,
is
there is a very big animal too, but they are here. It's not as floppy as that of Larry's and Duroc. Let's get up. Look at the ear is erected. You see?
Okay, it's not as floppy as.
Okay. So this is large white.
Okay.
Just because it bend down, it raises up the head.
Okay.
This is the female large one. The ears is not as big as that
the Larry's and the Duroc.
They are very good pigs too. They are very big and good mothers too. They can farm up to 17 piglets.
17 piglets.
Yes.
Okay. So those are the breeds that we have. So please
Large
just
white,
mention those breeds again for
viewers.
exactly.
Large white, landrace, then Duroc.
That is the 3 breeds that you have on this one. Thank you very much, sir.
ọmọ ajé iṣẹ́ oko yìí máa pé mi. àgbẹ̀ àròkò bọ́dún dé. àgbẹ̀ iṣẹ́ oko yìí máa pé mi. àgbẹ̀ àròkò bọ́dún dé o.